Want a colorful mouse pointer? Here's how to change its color in Windows 11. Press Windows plus I to open Settings. Go to Accessibility and select Mouse Pointer and Touch. Under Mouse Pointer Style, choose your desired pointer style from the 4 options. Or select the 4th option, Custom, to use a custom color. Now, pick a color from the Recommended Colors section. If your favorite color isn't listed, click the plus button to add a custom color. Make your cursor unique. Your mouse pointer will update instantly. That's it. Personalize your mouse pointer with your favorite color. Like and subscribe for more quick tech tips.